Welcome to Eric Blackmon Music. Hi everybody. I just want to say to my subscribers and viewers, thank you, thank you, thank you. I am so excited, there's only one thing left for me to do. Give something away. That's right, we have a winner. And here is what the winner will receive. This beautiful D'Angelico, New York soprano ukulele. This ukulele is a fine playing instrument featuring beautiful wood grain top, back and sides. I will also include a brand new eMusic Live Flex Fit cap, just like the one that I wear to work each and every day. Without further ado, the winner is Christine Diane. Congratulations, and a special thanks to all who entered the drawing. Because of problems associated with international shipping, this prize ships only to the USA. The prize must be claimed within 30 days of drawing end or be forfeited to be used in future drawings. Stay tuned to Eric Blackmon Guitar for more amazing tutorials and future drawings. Thanks for watching Eric Blackmon Guitar.